Well, it looks like I'm on my way to, I'm going to check out a 25 horse, the old 25 horse I was working on. Maybe it was a 30 horse, don't remember, but it was on that duck boat. He's having trouble again, and this is the one I had in my test tank, and it fired up good. I had the fuel leak, the carburetor was rebuilt. I did a lot of things. This thing, replaced some hoses on it. It started up good in the tank, and now he's got it out of the water. And he's called me because he says he thinks it's his tank, his gas tank. He's using the same old gas tank he had, and if you look back in the previous video of what that carburetor looked like, it was pretty badly gummed up. And boy, oh boy, if that's the kind of fuel he had in there, he's probably plugged up the screen, the intake or inlet screen from the tank to the bulb. So that's my guess. And he says, well, he asked me to come out and take a look at it, see if I can put my tank on it and get it running again. If that works, he's going to go out and buy a new tank and just mix up some fresh gas and then try it on his own. I suspect that's probably it. I don't know, but anyway, I'm heading out there. It's probably about a 40-minute trip one way, and at these gas prices, it really sucks. So anyway, hang with me. Maybe we can take a look at it together and see what we can find out. Like I said, I'm bringing my gas tank with me, my primer bulb and hose and all that, and because it was running just fine, and I don't know what the issue is this time. So anyway, maybe you get something out of this. Maybe we'll figure it out together. So stay tuned. Thanks again for watching. Well, I'm here now, and this is the boat. This is the motor. Again, this is the one in my garage. It was in my garage just last video. I'm taking a look at this. I'm pumping the fuel, and what I'm seeing is a bunch of water coming out of that carburetor. So that gas tank down there is still full of water. The lines were full. I'm trying to pump fresh gas into it, but it doesn't have any smell of fuel at all. That's what's in the bowl. Until I can get the fuel pumped in there, it ain't gonna work. Yeah, boy. Unbelievable. You got to get some fresh fuel pumped in. Maybe if I took this off and drained it, I'd have to cut that, put a new zip tie on it. All right, that's what I'm going to probably do, so I don't burn this thing up to start or trying to start it. I'm going to drain the bowl, put some fresh fuel in it, and maybe put a new zip tie on it. So stand by. Sure is nice out here, though. He's going to be doing some duck hunting. Sure is a beautiful day today. I can see why he wants to get out duck hunting on Monday, because we're supposed to have some real nice weather coming in. Anyway, okay, I'm going to shut the phone down or the camera off, and so I can climb in the boat so I don't break my neck. So stay tuned. Okay, I want to see if I can get this on video, but you can almost see how clear what's coming out of that carburetor is when I let it go. It's milky. That is not fuel. It's gooey, shitty, nasty. Look at that. God only knows. It doesn't even smell like fuel. We'll let that drain out. Looks like water. Wow. Yeah, his tank is still full of water. Fresh fuel. I'll purge that line. See if we can get some fresh fuel out of it. Just pumping the primer. I don't have any rags. It's starting to smell like fuel now. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if I can squeeze that primer bulb and get something out of that. There it goes. It's starting to flow now. Clean gas. I think. Hard to tell. Still looks pretty murky. That should have a color to it. It smells more like fuel, but I don't see the air. It's starting to turn green now. That's the mercury. The mercury quicksilver oil that I use. Okay, give that a try. Put that back on. I won't zip tie it yet. See if we can get her to fire. Yeah, look at that. Still got to purge all that water out of the system. That's bad fuel. I would get rid of that tank. That tank's sitting in water down there. It's sitting in water. Okay, I think we've solved it. Just this nasty water, and this tank is full, but it's sitting in water, and it's probably absorbing that water, or maybe it's got pinholes in the tank. I don't know, but I'd get rid of that old tank and get a plastic one, or get one that he knows is good. That carburetor was full of water. Again. All right, folks. That's it for today. So, lessons learned, I hope. She's running good. So, thanks for watching. If you've got problems with fuel, make sure you got fresh fuel. And if you've got an old tank, his pickup tube in there might be bad. I'm not going to mess with that. I'm not going to take it apart and look at it. I think you should just get a new tank, get a plastic tank, impervious to water, and just impervious to rust, and go from there. But I think this is a fix. Okay, Billy, she's running again. Yeah, it was water in the carburetor. It was nothing. It didn't even smell like fuel. It was like an opaque, turbid-looking water, and I think that gas tank is about had it. Either that or the pick. It's just, it's sitting in water, so it might be absorbing water through the steel. For all I know, it could have perforations in it, or who knows. But yeah, that carburetor was filled with water, and I purged it. I took the hose off here, the fuel line, and was able to get fresh fuel in it. Started right up. So there you go. What a gorgeous day. I think Monday's going to be just as beautiful. So anyway, Billy, I hope you have a good time. Let me know how it goes. Yeah, maybe someday I'll get to go duck hunting. Anyway, hint, hint. Anyway, take it easy, guys. Keep watching, share, like, subscribe. Appreciate you watching.